Welcome to episode 1 of VyOS Network's Power 5 podcast for Red Hat. This is Gizem Yigit, Marketing Product Manager of VyOS Networks. Today we will discuss the new VyOS 1.5 LTS, fully certified by Red Hat, and how it strengthens OpenShift Virtualization with high performance, enterprise-grade networking with Santiago Blanquet, Chief Revenue Officer at VyOS Networks. Welcome, Santiago.
Thanks, Gizem. Great to be here. I'm really excited to kick off this first episode and talk about what we've been working on with Red Hat and OpenShift Virtualization.
To kick us off, for listeners who may not know VyOS Networks yet, how do you describe VyOS in 1 minute and what do we help teams do?
So VyOS is a high-performance, enterprise-grade open source networking platform for bare metal, cloud, and edge environments. At its core, it's about one idea: your network, your rules. In a world where traditional network vendors dictate how you deploy, scale, and license your infrastructure, VyOS does the opposite. We put ownership and control back into the hands of the teams running the network. So you decide how it's built, how it scales, and how it integrates with your platforms. VyOS also gives you advanced routing, firewalling, and VPN capabilities in a single network operating system with the performance needed for production and the operational safety enterprise expect. It's open, transparent, and designed to fit modern infrastructure, not lock you into it.
When you look at Red Hat OpenShift Virtualization, what networking challenges can teams run into first as they start running and scaling VM workloads?
So the first challenge is segmentation. As soon as you move beyond a few VMs, you need proper isolation between workloads, environments, and tenants. Default networking gets you started, but it's not designed to handle complex routing, policy enforcement, or north-south traffic at scale. The second challenge is change management. VM environments evolve quickly, and networking changes can be risky if they are hard to validate or roll back. Teams want to integrate VM networking into their existing operational practices instead of treating it as a fragile layer that nobody wants to touch. And finally, performance becomes critical. As traffic grows, teams need predictable throughput and latency without redesigning everything or being locked into hardware-based assumptions.
Let's get specific on the new release. What's new in VyOS 1.5 LTS and why does it matter that it's Red Hat certified for production use?
So VyOS 1.5 LTS is a major milestone for us. It's fully certified by Red Hat and officially listed in the Red Hat ecosystem catalog, which means customers can confidently run it in production OpenShift environments. From a technical perspective, it delivers a stable long-term support release with enterprise routing, firewalling, and VPN capabilities, plus advanced options like the VPP data plane for high throughput and consistent latency. It also fits cleanly into OpenShift virtualization using VLANs and multiple virtual NICs to build routed subnets and segmented networks. The certification matters because it removes friction. Customers now know the solution is validated, supported, and designed to work with OpenShift, not boiled on as an afterthought.
So, if a team wants one clear takeaway, how would you summarize the value of using VyOS as the networking layer in OpenShift virtualization in terms of segmentation, control, and performance?
Yes, so the key takeaway is control without complexity. VyOS gives teams a real routing and security layer inside OpenShift virtualization with strong segmentation, clear policy enforcement, and predictable performance. You get enterprise networking features, safe change management with rollback, and the ability to scale without worrying about per core or per instance licensing. It's a simpler, more resilient way to run VM networking in production using the same operational model teams already trust in their wider infrastructure.
Santiago, thanks for breaking that down. For more information on VyOS Universal Router 1.5 LTS for Red Hat OpenShift Virtualization, you can visit our OpenShift page. You can also find VyOS in the Red Hat ecosystem catalog listing. And please stay tuned for future VyOS Networks Power 5 podcasts. We will dive deeper into designing segmented VM networks on OpenShift virtualization, boosting performance for high traffic paths, and building resilient, highly available network architectures for production environments.